We want to create, go to parts. Okay. Now this is our interface. Now we will see what is sketch. Sketch means whatever design we have to make, we have to take 2D tools and draw it. Before that we see these are the planes. Front plane, top plane, right plane. Before sketching you have to select one plane, either front plane, either top plane or right plane. And this is the origin point, 0, point in our coordinates. So let's see, choose front plane and the option will come here. See, a small option is sketch. You can select sketch here directly or you can select sketch here directly. So select sketch. Now our front plane is selected. Now whatever drawing you are going to sketch, it will appear in front plane first. These are our menu toolbar: dimension, line, rectangle, circle, ellipse, fillet, hexagon, polygon shape, text, and then trim entities, convert, offset, mirror, linear sketch pattern, then delete display relation, then this normal isometric. These all are the tools for sketch. So let's see, we will sketch one small thing and we will see. These are the line diagram, lines and center lines. So basically we are using center lines to draw any line. Now you can draw a line from any part of the plane. So select origin plane. Either you will make any direction or anything anywhere. If you will make in horizontal position, see it is showing in yellow color horizontal mark. That means our line in horizontal direction. If you will go upper side, see it is showing vertical direction in yellow color. That means our line it is in vertical position. If you will little ahead, it will not show. This is the relation. See. Now if you want to exit from the line, you can just simply press escape button or right click and select or line. Anything you can select. So select line. Now your exit from the sketch. Again choose a line and draw one line. Right click and select. Now we are exit. Now see, these relations are showing in every point. This relation showing vertical, and this relation showing coincident, means two parts are coincide each other. They will not separate. The same as here in origin point. If you will move this part, see, it will move along with this line only. It will not go beyond. But if you delete this relation, just press this relation, delete it. Now see, you are free to move anywhere. It is, see, now you fix in the line. Now it is showing the relation. So these are the relations. There are many relations. While we will see each and every relations in our coming tutorial. In our next lecture, we will see how to sketch our first model or other relation things. This is center line. Center line means it is a construction line. See, right click and select, exit from the line. This is construction line. This is not actual drawing lines. It is showing the only part for the drawings if you want to make a hole or anything. So for a reference or for coordinates, we are taking this line, nothing else.